If you have a property in Reynoldsburg, Ohio that you're looking to sell fast, easily, and conveniently, even if the property is tenant occupied or there's somebody living there or residing in the property, then this video is for you. My name is Dave Perichin with Sell House Columbus, and for over 14 years, we have been buying properties in and around Reynoldsburg, Ohio, even if the property is leased out or occupied, and people love working with us because we can handle all communications with the person living there. You don't need to do anything whatsoever. There's no awkwardness needed with you as the seller of the property. With the person that's living there, we'll handle everything. Even if the person was to need an eviction, if they're not paying, we'll still buy the property from you, handle any evictions that's needed. You don't need to deal with the hassle and the courts and the costs and everything that comes with that. And when we buy your Reynoldsburg property, we're going to buy it in its as-is condition because we're a true cash buyer. And what that means is you don't need to fix anything. You don't need to haul anything away. You don't need to clean anything. You can just be done with it. We're not going to judge the property. It's not a traditional type of buyer where we have to rely on the bank's approval and send the appraiser through there, then send another inspection and all these hoops that need to get jumped through. That's a traditional buyer, and typically they're going to have a realtor as well, so there's going to be more costs for you. There's going to be commissions for you. When you work with us, we're a true cash buyer, buying it in its as-is condition, and there's no commissions or hidden fees or costs to you whatsoever. So if you have a property in Reynoldsburg, Ohio, even if it's leased out or occupied, and you want to sell this property easily and conveniently, give us a call at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com, and you can fill out a little form online when we get on the phone. It's a very easy conversation. We just need to know more about the property and then any timelines that you might be working with. And this is very important. It's often overlooked. We can close on your timeline. So this isn't a traditional buyer who needs to qualify for a loan and then you're closing on the bank's timeline. We're closing on your timeline. So if you need to move quickly or want to close quickly, perfect. We can make it happen extremely quickly. If you need more flexibility and you want to set a future date, or if you need something to happen in your life before you could close, by all means, we could provide flexibility if that's going to accommodate your needs. So if you have a property in Reynoldsburg, Ohio, and it's leased out or rented out, and you want to sell this property in its as-is condition and keep it extremely easy and convenient, give us a call at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. I look forward to working with you. My name is Dave Perichin. We've been doing this a long time. We're going to treat you fair, and we got tons of references, testimonials, and reviews that we could share with you. So once again, I'm Dave Perichin. I look forward to speaking with you, and I look forward to working with you.